What's up, y'all? I'm finna make some shake, literally.
What's going on, YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. And today, I'm here with my blood sister.
Hey!
So I'm about to get her in the Integra, and she's about to drive, because you know my car is a manual. But our mama taught us how to drive a manual, so it's been about 30 years
yes,
for you?
For me. I don't remember nothing.
So we got to pray for my clutch. So we're about to hop in the Integra and see if she can remember after all those years, because our mom, she took her on a bridge with a hill. She just said, get in the car, go. Let me let you tell it for a minute.
Look, y'all, she put me at a four-way intersection. She jumped out at the light. She said, okay, you got to make it move. It was an 18-wheeler coming, y'all. So I had to do what? I pushed that clutch in and made it do what it do. Let's see what's gonna happen now.
All right. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it.
Woo!
So now we about to get down with the get down.
Oh man! Oh no! Oh no! I don't know what to do.
You gotta fix your seat. You way shorter than me. You gotta move it up forward. I need the memory seat.
Let me bring it all the way up.
Oh yeah.
Wait a minute.
Make sure you're able to push that clutch pedal all the way down.
Now let me move up somewhere. Oh no! This serious business, y'all.
Oh yeah, you probably need it up
More.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that might do it. Okay.
All right, so you start it up. You got to push the clutch in all the way.
Okay.
The brake too. And then you got to press the start button. There you go.
Okay, first phase. Now
So,
here's the test, right?
Here's the test. So let me turn the lights on.
Okay, got the clutch in. Now I got to give it a little gas, right?
All right, let me turn the brake off. That's the park brake. So put your foot on the brake real quick. All right, now you got the rolling action. You can roll now. So
Take
what
it
we
off the clutch.
So you're gonna ease. Well, you gotta push the
Ease
clutch
off.
all the way in
It's in.
and go in the first gear
Mm-hmm.
to the left and up. Wait, is that you go straight up or to the left?
It
So
looked like I went straight up. Okay.
yeah. So then you gonna ease off the clutch.
It's moving. Oh, no. Okay.
So ease off the clutch and add some gas.
Oh, we moving.
Oh, dang.
Hell, look at me. I'm moving.
All right. Hey, you ain't forget then.
I have. That was luck.
Can you go in the second gear?
Let's see. I got a clutch back
Clutch
in.
all the way in.
And
All the way down.
All the way back.
There you go. And ease off the clutch. And all right, man. I thought you couldn't drive.
I can't. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I ain't been I'm so scared. I've been nervous all day. I ain't ate shit. Been worried about what I'm gonna do.
You got this. We can go on the street then. Let's
Hell
go.
no. Okay.
If you want to stop, what you want to do? Stop, clutch in all the way, and then hit the brakes too.
I didn't think I was gonna be able to roll at all.
That was the first try.
That was the first try, but you know what? This is a new car. You gotta keep in mind.
Oh yeah.
It's a little bit smoother than what I was driving. I was
because you was in that Grand Am.
Yeah.
What was that, an 80s?
I am shocked.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm so shocked. I gotta put this in.
Let's go back to neutral. You got the foot in? All right.
On the clutch. Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go back to first and start off again. Okay. That was too easy.
Okay. Do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think that's was that to the left?
Hold on. Wait.
So, yep, there you go.
Okay. Now I'm in it. Okay.
Yep. Ease off the clutch.
I'm scared.
You smooth.
I don't believe this. You gonna let me have it for a day?
You coulda. I left you here straight. You coulda got one of the cars.
Huh? No, I can't, cause I don't know what to do. You in here talking to me.
So you good? Nah. You good?
I knew it was gonna happen.
You got it, man. This is about to be a short video then.
Man, oh no. Okay. Then when I slow down, I have to push the clutch all the way in.
Push the clutch all the way in and on the brake.
Okay.
And shift into neutral.
Okay.
All right, let's see if you can go in reverse then.
Oh, hell. That's over to the...
All the way to the right and back. Well, we rolling
Oh,
back.
shit. No. Oh, no. Wait. So it's all the way to the back right here?
Yeah, all the way to the right and back. There you go. So you see the camera came on up there. So that means we in reverse. So now you just, it's the same thing.
Oh, shit. I knew it was going to happen. It was too good to be true.
Yeah, that was good though. You got two. So you got to start the car up.
Okay.
So foot on the brake, or clutch, oops,
Okay.
and then press the button again. All right, now we back rolling. So let's go. Try reverse again.
Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
Okay. I got my foot on the brake still.
All right, now you can let off the brake.
Ah!
You got it.
Oh no, this too much concentration. It's too much concentration.
But
I don't know if I could. Because
Right.
wait, when you get in fifth, that's when you on the highway, right?
Right.
You just rolling,
Just
right?
cruising.
Okay, so but what you do after that? So say you got to stop, same thing, clutch and brake, right?
Uh-huh.
So do I at any time put it in neutral?
Yeah, you put it in neutral because you don't want to be on the clutch all the time. So like right now, you can just,
And once I put it in neutral, that's not neutral.
yeah, that's neutral,
That's
just the
neutral?
middle. Yeah, you
Okay.
wiggle it side to side to make sure you know it's in neutral.
And then back to first, right?
Yep. So that's to the left and up.
Okay. Why are we rolling backwards?
We on the hill. I think that's third. Let me see.
Oh man.
Having flashbacks now,
Yes,
ain't you?
yes. I knew it was too good to be true. It took off good though, didn't it?
You started off great,
Good.
but we on the hill now, so that's why I'm kind of glad
Okay,
we in
I'm
this
finna
parking
pass
lot.
it back to you.
Oh, you done?
Yes, yes. You
All
want me to
right.
drive it again?
Yeah, let's do one more time. You got to start it up.
Okay.
So foot on the brake and clutch. Oh, you got it. All right. So now that you're on the hill, you got to just give it a little bit more gas.
Okay. Ooh, wait. Put it in first.
Yep.
Okay.
And then ease off the clutch, but give it a little more gas.
Ooh.
There we go.
Okay. All
You
right.
good. We just driving now.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. Now you know I drive with my left and my right.
Oh, you drive with both feet?
Yeah. Jeanette taught me how to drive.
Uh-oh.
She drive with both. It's a safety thing for me. I know.
Yeah.
I know I'm not supposed to.
So I remember the last time I saw Harriet driving, she was driving with her brake lights on. I'm like, why she holding on? She had her foot on the brake while she was driving. And
Yep, I do that.
one of the cars, actually the car I got now, they got a mode. It'll let you know if you're doing that. So I thought that was cool. All right, we can hop on out then. You did well. You did great.
What?
Ain't-
I'm so shocked. When I tell you I'm shocked at myself, this car is nice.
I like
And it
it.
was easy to drive. Turn it up or put
Yeah, we gonna pull the emergency brake up.
Okay.
And we good. We can swap back
I bet
over.
that video gonna be too funny. I didn't think I was gonna take off. I didn't. I thought I was gonna tear this thing up.
So how you feeling now?
Better, much
Better?
better. Yeah, I think I could. I need to do it a couple more times.
Well, next time you come to town, it's gonna be you then.
Yeah, it's gonna be on and popping. You
Yeah.
bring me back out here, let me roll around a little bit, take me on the street.
We right out there. You want to go on the street now?
Hell no. Hell no.
Yeah. All right, you did well. So let me get back behind the wheel so we can finish our time here.
Your turn.
All right, shout out to my sister. Give a shout out to her
All right, y'all.
for gracing us.
Like and subscribe.
There you go. So, all right, that's my sister, my eldest sister. So, thank her very much for being in this video. So, she came here to visit our dad and just to see if she still had it. She still does. So, she still got it. So, I'm shocked. So, I thought she was gonna be stalling all over the place. I thought I was gonna be laughing, but I'm like, dang, she never forgot. So, it's kind of like riding a bike. You know how to drive a stick, you don't forget. So, with that being said, I'm gonna let y'all go. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out. We are golden.
I ain't do bad as I thought I was gonna do. Man, I'm telling you, I was nervous all day. I'm like, I've been tapping.
Oh, you was thinking about this all day?
Yes, all damn day. Do you hear me?
Oh, you got the short
All
woman setting
day.
up in here. I gotta.
When I say all day, I'm like, shit. I got to get on the wheel. I'm finna mess up his car.
You did well.
Thank you. Yeah, I need to stay at that because guess what?
What?
If I can get me a new car if I can get a 5-speed. But I got to get good at it. See, I have to be great at it because I live in Alabama.
Oh,
it's
yeah,
nothing but hills.
Them hills will mess you up.
And guess what the cars be doing? Rolling back.
Yep.
I always give cars space because they be rolling down the hill. I said, hell no.
So some of these cars, they got a thing where if you rolling back, it'll stop for you. So
Okay.
So it make it easy.
Okay.
But you
Those probably was older cars rolling back. What in the hell I do with my phone? Let me see it. This car is nice. Yeah, I would definitely not trade this in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I keep this. It got some get up in it too.
Yeah, it do.
It's nothing like hers. That, you know, that car, you got to keep in mind, it's been decades.
Yeah.
You know, so it didn't improve because that.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
The jerky?
Mm-hmm.
You remember how each time you change the shift, it's like you can't even feel this.
Yeah, it's so
when you
smooth
change
now.
the shift. That's like I'm like, am I in it?
Yeah.
Because I was expecting it be saying
It's so smooth.
I was expecting that and I was like, it ain't doing it. It be grinding real hard.
Yeah.
If you in the wrong I mean like jumping, bouncing. So that's what I thought was gonna happen.